Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Werescue, Adopt a Pet app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Werescue is a pet adoption app designed to help users find adoptable animals from shelters and rescue organizations. It allows you to search dogs, cats, and other pets using detailed filters such as breed, size, age, distance, temperament, and special needs. The app pulls listings from verified shelters and rescue groups, giving you photos, descriptions, and direct contact details so you can inquire or apply for adoption. It's available on both iOS and Android. The app's main feature is its advanced search system, which lets you refine your pet search with very specific criteria, helping you find a good match faster. You can also save favorites, set alerts for new matches, and view multiple photos and personality notes for each animal. Many users appreciate how quick and intuitive the browsing experience is, especially when comparing different rescue pets. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users find Werescue helpful because of its large database of shelter listings, clear pet profiles, and timely updates. The filtering tools make it easier to find pets that match your lifestyle, whether you want an active dog, a calm cat, or a specific breed. The app also directs you to the official shelter page or contact form, making the adoption process smoother. However, there are some drawbacks. Since listings come from shelters, some profiles may have limited information or outdated availability. Occasionally, users report seeing pets that have already been adopted. There is no in-app adoption process. You must contact the shelter directly, which may feel less convenient for some. The experience also depends heavily on how frequently local shelters update their data. In summary, the Werescue app may be worth using if you want an easy way to browse adoptable pets, filter by specific traits, and connect quickly with shelters. However, if you prefer a platform with direct in-app adoption or fully verified availability, you may find the manual follow-up steps less convenient. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.